Okay, welcome back on my podcast, on my channel, on my page. Right, I just had good news from the city of Bulawayo through the organization that is called National AIDS Council in Zimbabwe. There was a meeting last week in Bulawayo City or Bulawayo Town. There was a meeting uh, organized and coordinated by the National AIDS Council. And then on that meeting, they released figures or they released data, information about the issue of HIV and AIDS, especially when it comes to the prevalence rate in Bulawayo City specifically, in that town Bulawayo, in that city Bulawayo. And the information of the data is so much encouraging, is so much positive in a sense, is so much good in light. This because uh, the prevalence rate of HIV and AIDS in Bulawayo has been seen to be coming down or going down from the year 2020 to the year 2024 and connecting to this year 2025. This is what the data is showing, or this is what the information is showing. So when I was reading the information, when I was browsing and perusing the information on my gadgets or on my devices, I was so much happy. I was so much uh, celebrating this kind of information, this kind of data that I was seeing with my two naked eyes. This because I know how dangerous this HIV AIDS disease is in every country, among the human race, among the humankind. I know how deadly it is. I know how dangerous it is, killing people, killing destinies, and killing families, as witnessed through a loss of human lives. So in Bulawayo City or in Bulawayo Town, uh, there's a sharp decline, a remarkable sharp decline of this HIV and AIDS uh, prevalence rate in that town. For men, it has been seen to go down from 16.3% to 13.2%. So I'm just giving you some rough figures that I read just from my head. So I read the information, I researched, I browsed this information, and I know what I'm saying. And what I'm saying is very correct. What I'm saying is very true to you, is what I've seen from the source or the article that I read, that I was researching on and browsing. So for many, particularly in Bulawayo City, the prevalence rate of this HIV has been seen to come down from 16.3% to 13.2%. Then for women in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, the prevalence rate of HIV has come down from 9.9% to 7.8%, coming down from 9.9% to 7.8%. Right. So this is really remarkable progress uh, that is happening or that has been seen in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town when it comes to HIV or HIV and AIDS epidemic in that city, in that town. This information, like I said earlier on, has been reviewed by the National AIDS Council in Zimbabwe. Then in Bulawayo City, in Bulawayo Town, the provincial city manager for Bulawayo, Mr. Douglas Moore, is the one who addressed this issue on that meeting last week at a National AIDS Council meeting in Bulawayo, saying that the sharp decline of this prevalence rate of HIV and AIDS in Bulawayo is because of two factors. Factor number one, he said, because of improved health seeking behaviors among the people in Bulawayo, improved health seeking behaviors by the people in Bulawayo. Then factor number two, he said the sharp decline of this prevalence rate of HIV and AIDS in Bulawayo is because of stronger workplace health programs, stronger or strong workplace health programs, workplace health initiatives that have been designed and developed and established or executed by the companies, busy corporations, busy companies, by the business enterprises that are there in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. So Mr. Douglas Moyo, the provincial city manager for HI, for National AIDS Council of Zimbabwe in Bulawayo, he said this because of two factors. Like I said, number one, improved health seeking behaviors, And number two, stronger workplace programs by the companies or by the enterprises that are operating in Bulawayo. So overall, the prevalence rate of HIV and AIDS has come down or has dropped massively or remarkably in that city, specifically Bulawayo, according to the data, according to the information released by the National AIDS Council at their breakfast meeting or strategic meeting last week in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. So generally speaking, the figures or the statistics are saying, combining all the men and the women and everyone else across all the demographics, or in association to all the demographics, men, women, the elderly, young boys, young girls, at any age across the whole spectrum, the figures are saying the prevalence rate of HIV and AIDS has come down from 16.3% down to 10.7%. Oh, sorry, 13.2% down to 10.7%. 13.2% down to 10.7%, which is about 3% decrease or 3% drop in the rate of HIV/AIDS prevalence rate in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town. I hope you are catching all the figures. I hope you are catching all the statistics that I'm throwing at your face for you to know about the issue that I'm talking about, the issue that I'm discussing on my podcast today, about the issue of the dropping down of the prevalence rate of HIV/AIDS in Bulawayo City, specifically in Bulawayo Town specifically. I'm personally happy when I was reading this news, like I said, because I know how deadly, how dangerous this epidemic is, this disease is, this virus, HIV virus, HIV/AIDS disease is. I know how deadly it is to everyone, to all humankind, all human race, to every people. Starting there from Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, extending across all the world. You understand? Yes. So the organization that came up with this data or this information, like I said earlier on, and I'm repeating again for your good understanding, is called National AIDS Council, Zimbabwe. So National AIDS Council, for your general interest, for general information, just for your own information, this is an organization that was established in Zimbabwe, in this nation, this country, Zimbabwe, by an act of parliament of 1999. And the purpose of establishing or coming up with this National AIDS Council, this organization in Zimbabwe, was to organize, mobilize, coordinate, and execute a national strategy, national multi-sectoral response to HIV and AIDS in Zimbabwe, to coordinate, mobilize, actualize, and operationalize a national multi-sectoral response against HIV and AIDS. So these are the purpose for the establishment of the National AIDS Council in Zimbabwe, to come up with a national strategy to work against HIV and AIDS in Zimbabwe, in every city of Zimbabwe, in every town of Zimbabwe. Again, this National AIDS Council, something that you have to know is that it also administers what is called a National AIDS Trust Fund. This organization, National AIDS Council, it also administers what is called National AIDS Trust Fund. This is uh, done through a levy called AIDS levy, an amount of money that is collected from every worker's taxable income and corporate tax from the businesses or from the business enterprise in Zimbabwe. So the AIDS levy is an amount of money collected from every worker's taxable income and every business corporate tax here in this country, Zimbabwe. So this information that you have to know when it comes to the National AIDS Council, when it comes to the National AIDS Trust Fund, as it happens in Zimbabwe. So on this issue about the prevalence rate dropping down, having a sharp decline, a remarkable dropping down in Bulawayo City, Bulawayo Town, what are your comments? What are your thoughts? When I was talking, explaining, and you were listening to this video, what came out your mind? What crossed your brain on this issue? Drop, write, type your comments in the comments box, in the comment section. I'll come and see them out. I'll come and check them out. Otherwise, on this episode, I'm done. See you on the next episode coming, and it's coming right away. Just stay tuned. I'm signing out for now. Sharp.